The use of digital healthcare technologies, such as wearable biosensors, has increased rapidly in recent years.
Innovation in healthcare has enabled great progress, but this progress has increased the generation of electronic waste, so-called e-waste.
E-waste from digital health devices is complex because of the added challenge of potential biological and chemical contamination. And these devices are usually incinerated or disposed of in landfill.
This means a loss of valuable materials such as lithium, titanium and other metals and plastics, which are increasingly in demand for producing new electronic devices and other products.
The DiCE project has been created to address these challenges, and it aims to extend the lifetime of digital healthcare devices by developing and piloting solutions across the whole product lifecycle.
DiCE uses 6 products as case studies: an endo cutter used in hospitals for stapling in surgery, an ECG lead set, digital display label, an on-body drug delivery system, a smart pill box, and a medical sensor used by patients at home.
The project examines and develops circular design processes, including strategies to enable maximum use life of the product and maximize the recovery of the materials when the product can no longer be used.
The project is also developing motivational strategies to optimize the collection of these devices, working with citizens and healthcare professionals to understand what motivates them to handle and dispose of end-of-use devices correctly.
These innovations will be tested and demonstrated in 3 European healthcare ecosystems through community-engaged pilots.
The result of DiCE will be a replicable model for healthcare, as well as adjacent industries, that enables moving away from a fragmented and linear take-make-waste business model towards a circular and sustainable one, allowing the reuse of products and recovery of components and raw materials.
To stay up to date with its progress and results, register as a DiCE stakeholder.